Hey guys, Traz here. Today I'm going to show you guys the review and the sound of the HMDX $20 portable Bluetooth speaker Hangtime. Here's the audio. I'm going to play it from right now for you.
Every Christmas day, children sing on their way.
Now I did try recording this last time and overmodulated the microphone, so I'll be turning it up and down just so you guys can get the different volume levels. And you can control the volume right from your phone, and it'll control the Bluetooth volume. You can also control the volume right from your Bluetooth speaker and pause and play it from right there.
Just hear them singing, hear the bells ring, they're ding-a-linging, Christmas carol, Christmas carols all there's a merry Christmas carol, merry, merry Christmas, spreading joy, this Christmas carol from heaven above. Angels sing, just hear them singing, hear the bells ring, they're ding-a-linging, Christmas carol, Christmas carols of God. There's a merry Christmas carol, merry, merry Christmas, spreading joy, this Christmas carol from heaven above, angels sing, just hear them singing, hear the bells ring, ding-a-linging, Christmas carol, Christmas carols of God.
That's the volume so far. I'm going to keep on it going because it'll get better.
Christmas carol, merry, merry Christmas, angels sing, just hear them singing, hear the bells ring, ding-a-ling-a-linging, Christmas carol, Christmas carols of perfect love. There's a merry Christmas carol, merry, merry Christmas, spreading joy, this Christmas carol from heaven above, angels sing, just hear them sing, hear the bells, they're ding-a-ling-a-ling, Christmas carol, Christmas carols of
Alright guys, I'm going to do just one more song, one that has good audio, and I'll let you listen to that just for a little bit, because the video is getting up to 5 minutes, but that doesn't really matter. So I'll go ahead and play that for a little bit and let you get the volume of that. Alright. Oh, it's loading. Loading. No, not the Bluetooth isn't loading, the video is loading. If I can't get it to load, then I'll just end it here. Alright guys, it won't load, but that was a pretty good review, and I'll just power it off so you guys can get that again. I mean, just disconnect the Bluetooth. There we go. Now it's searching for Bluetooth and so on. But there we go. So how far? If you guys like the audio, then you go ahead and like, rate, comment, and subscribe, and all that. And thank you for watching. See you guys later.